Best $50 I ever spent. These are smoke-filled bubbles. I could sit here and watch this until this thing goes dry. Alright, we're gonna do the big bubbles really quick. Oh wait, that's the little bubbles now. Those were the big bubbles. Some of these were sticking in the grass earlier. Let's see if they're still doing that. Nope, doesn't look like it. Smoke-filled bubbles. It does that every once in a while. So cool.